Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add tags for your video. If you add tags, it can help you to reach your targeted audience. The tags are metadata for your YouTube videos, and if somebody are searching in YouTube or even on Google for some information related to your videos, then the tags will help them to reach you. So it is very important to add the maximum limit of tags. You can add 500 characters, and of course to add related text to your video. So this is a video that I created previously about the Canva app, how to remove background in Canva. So I will add the following tags. For example, Canva tips, Canva tag, Canva photo editing, Canva background remove Canva. Yeah, I think this will be enough, and then you can publish your video with the text. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, check out my YouTube tips playlist, and see you next time. Goodbye.